In this video, we are going to talk about a new cue card that is describe a famous person that you are interested in. A very famous person we are going to talk about, and the name of that person is Elon Musk. Let's get started. There are so many influential people in this world who are globally admired, but here I would like to talk about a person who is very renowned in all over the world, and I like to know about him. He is none other than the Elon Musk. One day I was reading the magazine name as Times of India, and suddenly I came through an article about Elon Musk, that he is the founder of spacecraft and Tesla company. I was so surprised to read about him. I read that he was an awkward and introvert child in the childhood. Musk was bullied throughout his childhood. He faced many hurdles in his life. He did his secondary education in Africa and then went to Canada for higher studies before going to USA. After that, he started his struggle to reach on, not OM, it's ON, on the pinnacle of the success. He got fame when he confounded the electronic payment firm PayPal and founded the spacecraft company SpaceX. Afterwards, he became chief executive officer of the electric car maker Tesla. He became one of the most beloved and controversial figures in the world of business. I like this person because he is really a hard worker and down to earth. Despite of the divorce of his parents, he never gave up and initiated his journey to accomplish his dreams. So this is all about the today's cue card. This is very impressive about the Elon Musk. All the information is well defined here. So try to copy it, try to speak it in your cue card, and subscribe my channel for further videos on follow-up question, writing, and some tips on reading. Thank you. Bye.